And here I am. Hello, everyone.
It's me, Sandy!
Hi!
Hi! Hi, SpongeBob! I wonder what else is in the packages.
Hi, I don't know. Let's see.
What's inside?
I want to go to the house, too.
Hello, I'm Mr. Krabs.
Ooh la la.
Hello, Sandy and SpongeBob.
Wow, look how much stuff is here. There's even my house.
Hello, Squidward. Come into your house.
Why do you guys have your own houses, but I don't? I want a house too!
It's okay, Patrick. We'll make a little house for you right now.
Cool! I'll have my own house! Now I have a house!
Let's go jellyfish hunting.
Let's go!
I know what else I can do. Patrick, come here.
Why did we come here?
Now we will make houses.
What a cool little house.
It's yellow like you!
Let's build one more house.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
The house turned out red, just like me. Maybe we should build something else?
Let's make one more unusual house.
We can make a house in the shape of a burger. Bun. Sausage. Cheese. Bun.
The burgers turned out just like at the Krusty Krab.
It looks very delicious.
This burger house looks delicious.
We got some really cool houses.